In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the home page in Picture Perfect. The Picture Perfect home page is composed entirely of widgets. If you have set it up so that your home page is a static page, you won't have these widget areas available and you won't be able to configure the home page. You need to set up in your dashboard under Settings. Make sure you have under Settings, Reading, make sure Front Page displays your latest post so that these widget areas are available. We're going to start with the home top, and you'll see in this completed site we've got a menu here, and this is a custom menu. We're going to set up this custom menu. If you imported the widget file with the IDX Broker widgets, this is already configured for your IDX Broker links. You just need to put in the URLs. If you imported the ones for just using the WP listings, you will have different links here, but the icons, the custom menu will already be set up for you as well. But we're going to go ahead and set up a custom menu to use for our site here where we don't have it configured yet. So let's go to the dashboard of our site, and first we're going to go to Appearance Menus. If you're not familiar with how to use the WordPress menu system, we have videos on how to do that. Just go to our tutorials for WordPress and you'll see how to add pages or categories to your menus. So we're going to set up a custom menu. Now we already have one set up, but we're going to set up another one. So we're going to create a new menu, and we're going to give our menu name, call it My Custom Menu. Create that menu. Now we're going to add some links to it. Like I said, if you're using IDX Broker, you will have the IDX Broker pages available. If I switch over to the one that has IDX Broker enabled, you can just select those IDX Broker pages to add. If you're not using IDX Broker and are just going to use regular pages, we can select some pages here that we can use. We can select Buy, Sell, Contact Us, whatever pages you want to use on there. And then you have to assign a Font Awesome class to have those icons show up there on the home top. Now let's go to the one we've already got set up here with the IDX Broker, and you'll see the first one for the property search. We're using the Font Awesome class of FA Search. Now all these Font Awesome icon classes are available in the theme documentation. If you go to Shortcodes to Font Awesome Icons and click on the link for the list of Font Awesome icons, you'll see these are all the Font Awesome icons you can use. And you just add the font name, the Font Awesome name, as the CSS class for your menu item, and that's the icon that will show up there. In addition, this background image, this behind those icons, this is set in your customization options. Just go to the customization video and we'll show you how to change this background image. So now we've got a menu set up. We're going to have FA, I'm just going to put a Font Awesome class for that. Sell, we're going to put one, FA Home. Contact Us, let's use FA, I think it's Envelope, we'll try that, and save this. Okay, now that we've created our menu, we need to add that menu to the home top widget area. So let's go to Appearance Widgets, and you use the Equity Custom Menu widget, and you'll see because we imported the widget files, we've got that already set up. But if you don't have it set up, you just drag that widget that you're going to use there and set it up here. You don't give it a title. You select the menu. In this case, I'm going to select My Custom Menu, and this will display that menu we just created. I'm going to remove this and just use the one that I imported instead. And we're going to use the home top menu that was imported, and refresh, and you'll see now we have those links with the icons here for property search, search by map, home valuation, and my account. So that's how you set that up. You create the custom menu first, and then you drag that equity custom menu widget to that home top widget area. Now next we're going to set up these widgets. Again, these were imported in, but we're going to go through these widgets. And these are the home bottom widgets. You have a home bottom left and a home bottom right. Now for the home bottom left, we want to use our latest blog post. So we're using the equity featured post widget, which is over here. You just drag it over. And then once you drag it over, you open it up, and this is where you configure it. We're calling this latest blog post. We've got it set for 2. We've got a hello world there I want to get rid of. And you want to show the featured image. And the featured image size we want to use is 560 by 380. Because that will give us an image like this. And we want to show the post title. Now you can select it to show all the content, show the excerpt, or show the content limit. We recommend using the show content limit and set the number of characters, and that way you will have a read more link there. So we're going to go ahead and save that. And let's go to the front of our site. And there we go. See, I've got 2 blog posts here with the featured image and the read more link to go to the full post. So this is the home bottom left. Now the home bottom right, on our sites we're using a property search. This is the WP listings search widget we're using here. If you imported the IDX broker widgets, you will have an IDX broker search. This is what we have here. And these are 2 different widgets, so depending on whether you're using IDX broker or not. Let's close this. Okay, home bottom right. Because we don't have IDX broker here, we're using the WP listing search, and then you just drag that widget up to where you want it, and then you open it up, and we're going to title it property search, and we want to be able to search by locations, property types, bedrooms, bathrooms, and what text we want to display in that search button. So now this is what we have here with our locations, bedrooms. These are taxonomies for our listings. Or on our site with the IDX broker, we're going to go to home bottom right, and you'll see it's using the Equity IDX Quick Search widget. And we recommend using the Equity IDX Quick Search rather than the IDX Broker Quick Search, because the Equity one is already styled for your theme. So let's open that up, and you'll see for the IDX Broker, you put in the title, and then you select the city list, either your default list, or if you've got a custom city list where you've got a shorter list of cities. And you want the orientation to be vertical in this widget area. And in our case, we also wanted to display the advanced search link and the map search link. So this is what we have here, the advanced search, map search, and then it's our default list of cities. And again, like I said, if you create a custom city list, you can make this much shorter. And so then they can search with IDX broker and search the MLS listings. So these are the home page widget areas that will configure the home page on your Picture Perfect site.